In this tutorial, I will show you how to register as a user with dataMINION. From the dataMINION homepage, you can click the login button found at the top right. Then you will have the choice to log in or register an account. Let's click register. On this page, you can choose a username that is going to be unique for you. And you also need to enter a real email address. Select the password and confirm your password. Make sure you follow the hints to make a strong password. This way, your account will be secure. Choose whether you want helpful emails from us from time to time. Make sure that you have read and understood our terms and conditions and privacy policy, which can be opened by clicking on the links. Once you confirm you are a real user, you will be able to click sign up. You will now receive an email. Click on the included link to activate your account. You will now be redirected to the login page. Congratulations, you are now registered as a user with dataMINION. You can now log in to access your user dashboard.